Hopefully I don't go off track again. Let's not go off track again. Alright guys, we've got Peyton here in the car. This is her first ever track day. This is going to be pretty exciting. She doesn't really know what to expect. She even took Dramamine just to make sure that she doesn't get sick. But we'll see.
Like that.
We're calling her out like that. We got to put her on blast. She's being a great camera girl, so you guys thank her for that down in the comments. So, and maybe she'll scream or something around the track. We'll see. Maybe when I get silent. Hopefully I don't go off track again. Let's not go off track again. Oh, I didn't wear my gloves. That's okay. Nope. I got too excited. I don't need them. It'll just feel weird. We can see if I shave off lap time, guys, by having gloves on or not having gloves on. This is the definitive result. This one session determines all of that, including in the sim racing, everything. I'll never wear gloves again. I'm just kidding. I'll totally keep wearing gloves. Go! Yes, here we go. All right, guys. We are chilling at 85 BPM. Okay. Big rocks on the track now. Right there, that's danger, danger. So this is the bowl. It's where he's saying to start high, like this, and then we're gonna wanna cut in like that. This is the corner right here, so it's a really hard one. You're down, and this is where I spun out. You come up over this hill, and the car gets super loose, so I need to go like this and take it a little more aggressively. I went out right there. Alright, everybody's starting to pick it up a little bit. How you feeling? Oof. That's why I have the car wrapped. That might have hurt something though. That was a big chunk of rubber. Not hot as fast. Deep into that corner. I'm gonna let this Honda pass. And then we got the NASCAR coming up. I'm gonna let him pass too and we'll chase him. on this track. But see, that's where we're losing it, right there. Too early. And I should be in second. Him it the other way. Come on, car, turn! My front tires are like, no! Base ass, our base Cayman, you should be beating me. We call understeer. There's an off. that part would like ruin your tire too. It would probably pop it. That's deep. Tires are getting hot. Feel it? It's getting way more squirrelier. Turn, bro, turn. My tires, I had to take that wide understeer height, we're gonna call it there. We're gonna do a cool down. That was gonna be the last lap anyways. We'll call it there. How was it? First time, what do you think? Different than the canyons? Yeah. Yeah? Just a little bit?
Yeah.
Ever felt a car do that kind of stuff, like for that long? It's wild, right? I told you, I was like, there's nothing like it in the world. Like a canyon day just doesn't even come close to that. Oh. Well, and you got to experience a little bit of an off. That was fun. It's because I kept looking, oh, what? Oh, he actually broke down. I was totally like looking in the mirror at the Porsche when I did that. Yeah, that's the thing, guys. If you look in your mirrors too much, it'll get you. I'm telling you, that is like the #1 thing. You have to be aware of the people around you. Listen to my brakes. But you have to be aware of the people around you, so you have to be looking in your mirrors a little bit to let them pass. And like, I couldn't tell if that Porsche wanted to pass, and I was starting to think, does he want to pass? And that's what made me mess up. That and just absolutely cooking my fronts. Actually, let's check the pressure. The pressure, oh, they're all back up to 32, perfect.